YouTube? It's your boy Randy with Ranfittraining, and today I'm going to show you how to make a protein shake. Well, the one I do personally by myself that I just created. I got my ingredients right here laid out, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. All right, so these are the ingredients I use. I use 2 eggs, 2 scoops of the PB Fit powder, 2 cups of almond milk, a cup of blueberries, and I have my frozen bananas that I cut up myself, and my protein. So here we go. So first, what I do, I get my measuring cup, then I get my almond milk, pour it in there, pour it in there. All right, that's 1 cup. And I pour it in my blender cup. All right, so I just ran out of almond milk, so I got to get some more, so I'm only using 1 cup. See you later. All right, I get my bananas, get a couple out of here, just so I don't have to use ice. Come on now. All right, that should be enough. Blueberries, open them up, put me here. This little measuring cup is a cup, like a full cup. So I fill this up, put it to the side. Blueberries in there. Now, got my eggs. Crack. Yes, I put the whole egg in there for the extra protein. There we go. Now for the PB2 powder. Two scoops. Now for the protein. Bam. 1 scoop of that. Oh, I almost forgot my spinach. I almost forgot my baby spinach. Yes, I put some baby spinach in here for the extra fiber. Put about a handful in there. So, here we go. Yes, I will fit in there. So, about a handful. Put your butter in there. Tap, 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 tap. Here we go. Now I put the blending top on there. Give it a little shake. Plug this bad boy in. And watch it blend. Like I said, watch it blend. Go. That's how you make a protein shake. I do drink all of this at one time, so I'll probably drink it while I eat one of my meals. It's thick, full of protein, fiber, all the good stuff. So thank y'all for watching. I'm about to sip on this to eat my meal. I said thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare red.